something to keep in mind when you're fishing, because this has happened to me way too many times. I can't even count on my fingers. If you're fishing and somebody rolls up or is walking up, hey, you have any luck? Always say no. Never be like, yeah, I caught a 5-pounder here, I caught 7 fish here. Never do that, because there's a 99% chance that next time you go back to that spot to go fishing, they're gonna bring them and all of their buddies with them, their girlfriends, their mom, their dad, their grandpa. The whole fam bam's gonna be there. So keep your fishing spot to yourself. I don't care if it's your buddy, because your buddy's buddy will go to that spot the next time you want to go. Keep it to yourself.